In the Asia session update today for Dow Jones and NASDAQ, we have discussed that there is a possibility of a recovery as both on the daily charts are almost trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence there could be an upward push. And we have recommended that a buy for Tech 100 at 14,860 can be taken with the caution till towards 14,960, and you can see precisely 14,920, the first milestone it is already achieved. At the same time, US30 has also achieved the first milestone at 14,34,850 levels. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Yes, pressing the bell icon keep you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited by now. And also you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. And your every like and comment is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver consistently twice a day, every day, on time, every time, with best of my abilities. Also, every share and subscribe is a great support as well. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now look at the hourly charts on US100. See, it is still trading in this bearish channel. If you look at the top of this channel is somewhere here at around 4960 levels. And hence any move above 15,000 levels is where the bulls will try to take over for 15,050, 15,100 levels. Remember, this is still to be treated as a retracement, not a reversal. If you look at 4960, which was the resistance earlier is now, which was the support earlier is now going to be the resistance. Be careful here. So yes, you can buy here and expect it to rise for 14,960 levels, but be careful. Stochastic very near to top. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. See, this crossover is happening at a lower levels. It may continue for a little while. RSI rising upwards, looking bullish. On the 2-hour charts, if you look, now see Tech 100 on the 2-hour chart, see precisely it has given you lower highs, lower lows, higher highs. So this is a swing zone here. A selling entry only I will recommend once you see it trading below 14,870, below which you can expect 14,840, 50 levels, very strong support then, and only if it stays below 14,840 you can treat that as a reversal and it is going to drop from there. At the same time, now remember, there is a possibility of a rise. We can remain long here at 14,930, but then remember 14,960 is a great resistance here. Also remember why it is trying to aspire till towards 14,960 levels. You can see the divergence of the moving average. It can possibly converge till 14,960. In fact, it can try to aspire till towards 50 period moving average, which is sitting at around 15,050, and this is a great resistance here. So be careful there. Stochastic rising, this is overbought. MACD has seen a sharp drop. Now it is willing to converge crossover for buy. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish. Coming to 3-hour charts, you can see this candle anyways appears to stay bullish here. I do not see it reversing, but we have to be cautious at around 14,930 and then 14,960 levels. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 15,000, 15,050 levels. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, trying to converge. See, fat belly is seen and hence it is trying to converge crossover for buy. RSI is rising from the bottom. They are hitting the oversold zone. It is trying to rise. Coming to 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, we have always seen that whenever there is a divergence from the moving average, it always tries to converge here. And this time again, it is trying to converge, which is suggestive that possibly we are somewhere looking at around 15,000, 10 to 15,000, 50, 60 zone. This is a zone which it is trying to achieve, and it may or it will try to achieve these levels very soon. Also look at this higher lows. See, this is a retracement zone, hence above 4930 you can buy, but then 4960, 15,000, 15,010 levels, great resistance exists here. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD trading with the fat belly. It is trying to converge here. Possibly we may see a crossover also, and hence a retracement on the upside is possible. RSI rising from the bottom. Coming to the daily charts. Now see Tech 100 on the daily charts. First of all, there is a possibility of a third red candle also. However, it is not necessary that it is going to continue with yielding the third red candle, but yes, there is a possibility. Second is there is a possibility for lower highs, lower lows. The highs of this channel is at around 15,000 levels. It can aspire to achieve those zones first, which is a great resistance, and then as we discussed 14,960, 15,020 levels, there is a greater resistance in this zone. You have to be careful here. At the same time, any drop below now 14,820 is where you can expect a further drop, but then before that, even you can initiate a sell entry here 14,870. However, remember 14,840, 14,800 are two major support levels. Only and only if it stays below 14,800, we can expect further bearishness. Now remember, this is Tech 100 after long has come out of this bullish channel. We have to be careful here. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is flat near to bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 14,930, expect 14,960, 15,010, 15,020 levels. This zone completely is a greater resistance, and hence you have to put a trailing stop loss on the upside of 20 points. On the downside, a sell entry is recommended once you see it trading below 14,870. Below that, you can expect 14,840, 14,800 as the ultimate support. Below 14,800 is where the bears will take over Tech 100, and we are going to look at 14,600 levels in the near future in the coming sessions. So do trade with caution. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly chart. See, lower highs, lower lows are seen here. It is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel now somewhere here at around 34,950, 35,000 levels. Yes, there is a possibility of a rise still towards those levels. Also, if you look at hourly charts, you will find this is retracing. It is trying to trade in this channel. There is a downward push here. And once you see it trading below 34,750, that is the point below which I will recommend you to sell for 34,700. And below that, we are looking at 600 and 400 levels. Let's observe more. See, stochastic dropping here. MACD is bullish here. First wave, second wave. Let's see if it converges, crosses over for a third wave on the downside. RSI flat on the hourly charts. If you look at 2 hour charts, similar observation on the 2 hour chart. See, higher lows, higher highs, restricting itself within this zone. A sell entry below 750, buying entry above 850. You can expect 900 at the first resistance levels, and then 950 in 950, 960 as the next resistance level. Beyond that, we may see it crossing beyond 35,000 levels again. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD crossing over for a buy. See, first wave, second wave, and it is crossing over. Possibly it may yield a little more rise here. RSI almost flat. And on the 3 hour, similar observation on the 3 hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs. Let it break out either which ways in order to confirm the direction. Stochastic rising. MACD has seen sharp bearishness. It is willing to converge crossover for buy entry. RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart. Similar observation on the 4 hour chart. There is a reversal sign. Higher highs, higher lows are seen. Wait for this to break past either 34,850 or 750 levels in order to take a position. Stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD is extremely bearish. It can possibly converge crossover. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 34,850 levels and sell at 34,750 levels. In between these 100 points, let's not take a position below 34,750. First support should be at 34,700, very, very strong. And then we may see it hitting 34,600 levels, which is the next strongest support level on the daily charts. Hence, till 34,600, you have to still be cautious. It can reverse any point of time. And on the upside, you can also look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, you can see candle size is diminishing here. It is opened outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little push on the upside. Also, lower lows are done. So lower lows, lower highs suggest that it can try to recover a bit. On the upside, there are resistances very, very strong at around 34,960, 35,050 levels. Very strong resistance exists here. Stochastic has hit oversold levels. MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 34,850 and sell at 34,750. A selling entry below 34,750 may at least yield you 50 points for 34,700, and then we are looking for the third bearish candle, which will take it till towards 34,600. Any drop till towards 34,600, possibly for the day, it is an opportunity to buy. It can reverse from there and close somewhere here at around 34,750 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship page, join my signals channel, and join my free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.